Are you ready to build? Are you struggling understanding the lines that are on the blueprint and the input that's coming from all directions? Well, don't worry. Here at ONYRverse, we do everything we can to make sure you see the project before it's even built, ensuring you remain in control of it all. We provide 3D models and immersive views, allowing not only construction details, but interior design concepts to be accounted for during development and for construction. Also, within our drawings, you will find schedules or summaries that are tools for specifications and calculate material and labor costs. Our design services allow feedback to be produced in one location, allowing you to see the big picture all in one place. No more stalling, no more waiting. Let's do it with honor.